Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. This is me, Luke Prophet, aka Prophet Products, coming at you with another video. We got unboxing number 15 today. We got a bunch of dope stuff, some Versace hockey jerseys, some rap tees and band tees, a little North Face, a little bit everything. But we got some talking to do about the new pop-up shop coming up in October and December. And yeah, let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright, first off, coming in from Ashley Burns off Depop and Instagram. I got this dope green Helmet and Lang taxi sweater. Just says taxi on the front. Big old Helmet and Lang spell out on the back. It is amazing quality, feels super nice, super soft, not that much wear, does have a little bit of stainage on the front. It's a size medium. That is amazing. Thank you very much for that. Up next, on to some jerseys. This one's coming in from, I don't even know. This one's coming in from, no idea, but his Instagram will be posted up there. Thank you very much for this amazing Detroit Vipers piece. Woo. Sold my Detroit Vipers jacket, always looking for more Detroit Vipers heat. The colorways are too sick. And today we got a jersey. Boom. Huge embroidered on the front, like a screen printed on the back, and it also has the bigger logos on the bottom. I think this is like a official game jersey type thing. Must be. It also has the fighting strap on the inside. Holy crap, this video is gonna be ass so far. See if we can step it up. But anyway, thank you very much for this. On to the next jersey. This one's coming in from Clothing Bakery on Instagram. This is a dope dead stuff jersey. See those colors? Anybody know? Anybody know? Yo, boom. There it is. It's a size large, extra large, vintage coyotes on a coho jersey. That is that logo right there. Huge embroidery, full decked out jersey. No fighting strap. That is awesome. Tags are still on it. Brand new. Thank you very much for that. Also, one thing I forgot to mention. It says 0.05 on the back. If anybody has any idea what that's from, what it means, why, let me know in the comment section below. Next up, coming in from my boy at Michigan Thrift, over at Michigan Thrift, aka Michigan Thrift. We got this dope pair of shorts. I saw that he posted them on there. I saw one other pair that sold like instantly as well before, but here they are. The vintage LL Bean. Boom, color block shorts. Amazing color blocking, and like striped on the front and then big yellow pockets on the sides. Those are amazing. Size medium, made in USA, maybe. Made in China, that's okay. Still vintage from the 90s. It's amazing. They should fit me. Ooh, look at that little net on the inside. The sick details on these shorts. Thank you so much, Michigan, for those. Probably gonna be my new favorite. Up next, coming in from Chit Chats. I forgot who I got this exactly off of. I got it off Depop though. I believe it might have been Gone Again Vintage, maybe. But let's check it out. It's in a nice bag. Got that Rolling Stones with the older tag as well. Boom. nice paper thin, almost crop top. It's been cut a little bit. Vintage 1989. The Rolling Stones American Tour. The North American Tour. That is amazing. It is super distressed. Does have lots of stains, lots of holes. Overall, nice condition. It's got the tags. That's dope. Single stitch. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to rock that. That's pretty. It's pretty short. Might show a little bit tummy. That's okay though. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you very much for that. Up next, coming in from No Name. Okay, they don't even have a name on it. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, coming in from my man over in Winnipeg. I forget his name. Saw it on Instagram. Shoutouts up above as usual. But this is a fire piece. These are super hyped up nowadays. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, put it on that side. You ready? Boom. Yup. 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 There it is. It's a Mike Tyson vintage rap tee from the 90s. These are super hyped up and super collectible at the moment. Everybody's loving them. They are super sick. This one has a great distressing as well. Not even distress, more just a nice light fade to it. Faded to perfection. It also has the old, I can't read it, but it's supposed to say like Bay something. I forgot what the last word is. Bay something tag. This is amazing. Thank you very much for that. Don't really want to fold that. And on to next couple dope ass pieces. We're gonna save that one and this one for next. We'll just go right onto the big old box for now. Got this off Kijiji about a week ago. Where are my scissors? Hello? I knew they were down there. Anyway, I got it about a week ago off Kijiji. Saw it was sitting there for $200. And then I messaged her. I was like, is it negotiable? She said no, but I was like, already a great price for it. Surprised it was still sitting there after like a week or two of just being posted. But yeah, I messaged her. She said she'd be able to ship it for me. Whoa, I'm sticking that knife in there way too deep. Holy, that scared me for a bit. But yeah, scissors, not knife. Gotcha. It's okay. But anyway, so we got it. And that's all that matters. Massive box. We're just gonna, okay, never mind. We're gonna keep cutting. The jacket is like poofing out of the box, so I don't really want to cut it because she didn't close the box. She or he or whatever, all they did was just tape it shut, which is just amazing. Just what we love to deal with, you know what I'm saying? Just a tape shut box when you can see the clothes just poking out of the box and you're thinking like, how am I gonna cut this open? Oh my gosh, this is the most dangerous box I've ever unopened. I don't even think I got the tape there. Whatever, we're frigging it. We don't like this box. Frig this person. Here we go. It is a North Face. See it right there. Massive puffer jacket this time. Oop, there it is. Yup. We got the vintage. This is not vintage. This is from the 2000s up. But it is the North Face Summit Series 800 down jacket. This is a extreme jacket they use this to climb the Himalayas and big mountains and such. Or just like, you know, walk around Canada for a bit. But yeah, I got this for a steal at around $200. They go for anywhere from like $500 all the way up to like $900 retail. So this was a steal. Thank you so much to the lady for that. I don't know why she had to do up every single little tiny thing to the maximum strength. But loosen that hood up a bit. It is a size XL. Super puffy. I don't even know if it all fits on the can. And on to the last two packages. We'll start with these ones. They are both some Versace gear. Just an itch. Just an itch. No pick, no pick. But coming in from Winnipeg, found it on Depop. Was sitting there for a while. Or maybe not. No, it wasn't sitting there for a while. I just saw it. Asked her if she was willing to negotiate. She was. So I had to scoop them. There are these vintage Versace pants, jeans, but they're fully decked out in print. Boom. There we go. There's the back. Let me do up the front. One sec. Okay. There we go. Here we are. These vintage Versace pants. The full pirate ships on the back. And then we got fishies on the front. Sadly, these are ladies. Quite skinny. Don't think I'll be able to pull them. They got like a 26 waist, I believe. That's okay. Thank you very much anyway. We've seen that on the site. I don't know if that's just faded or how it's supposed to be, but anyway, on to the next and last Versace piece. Found this one also on Depop. It's been there since like I downloaded the app, saw it there, kind of dreamed about owning it, and I was like, that is so sick. Maybe one day I'll be able to get it. And then probably like a year goes by, it's still there, just sitting there. I message her, I'm like, hey, negotiable? And she's like, yup. And then we figured out a deal. Got it shipped over here. Was hoping it would fit me. It is a little bit too big or too small. But here we go. We got the vintage Versace. Boom. Betty Boop times Marilyn Monroe. 1992, I believe this one is. There's a button-up shirt. One sec. Oh, okay, there we go. We're back. But this is a 1992 or 91. I can't exactly remember. Vintage Versace, Gianni Versace, Marilyn Monroe, and Betty Boop, like psychedelic full print shirt. This is insane. It's a woman's large. Does fit like a men's medium at least. Maybe a little bit bigger, but I'm like a large medium, and it's just a little short on me on this part right here. But overall, this is a crazy piece. Alright guys, that'll conclude that video. I'm sorry I forgot to talk about the pop-up shop. I do maybe have another one. I did apply for the Curio Collective pop-up. I did one about a month ago, and we got another one happening on October 18th, 19th, and 20th, I believe. And then also on December 18th, 19th, and 20th, 2 months later, for the fall and Christmas vintage pop-up show. I hope I'll be able to enter. Hope to see you guys there. And thanks again for watching the videos. Appreciate all the support. See you later. Bye. Peace. Yeah. Huh. Peace out. Bye. Whew. Wow. Nailed it. Nailed it that time.